Everyone, welcome to my presentation of children development into adulthood. The development challenge in Cambodia is that young children see a lot of abhorrent activity like drinking, smoking, and using drug or maybe other physical and violent toward other. Those are on a daily basis, and that's this project is wanting to shine a light on that, so that the parents know that their action is being copied, being observed, being seen by the children, and they will or maybe thinking that this is the norm, so that this project wants to prevent that from happening in the future. So the children development into like useful adult. My research in Cambodia is on a different topic, but I found that it wasn't really anything doable, but due to the circumstances like one more fundamental problem, budget problem, and understaffed staff required. The budget requires too huge and enormous. Secondary research is when I come here in Adulthood, New Zealand. My research was focused on the environment around children, and what I found was quite shocking actually. Here you can see on the graph that almost 50% of the children in that identify as Maori is under poverty. 20 something percent is material hardship. Almost 20% is poverty, and almost 15% is in extreme poverty. This graph shows that the hardship by ethnicity. As you can see, children that in Pakeha and Asian household is doing quite well, while the Maori Pacifica children are doing quite poorly. This graph shows that before the acts of poverty reduction by the New Zealand, the old New Zealand government was coming down. The Poverty Act was coming down, but after the new government come in, it's going back up before. So the act was introduced in 2018, which is right here, and it's going down. The target area is below 10%. So that 10% is the global norm. The global norm is 10% of children is living under poverty. So the goal was there, but it's almost reached there. But after the new government come in, it's reached back up to almost 20%. This is the population in prison. All you need to focus on is this two percentage. The percentage is that New Zealand Maori is only like 18 to 20% of New Zealand population, but 53 of New Zealand prisoner is Maori. And this is some finding of the Royal Commission of Inquiry that dug into care abuse in care system. From 2018 to 2022, 27.1% of Maori children are in New Zealand care, are in the state care system. And these are some of the abuse that they receive: mental, physical, sexual abuse, and also the replacement, which lead to more abuse, while children often prohibit of using their language, of looking into their culture or practicing their culture. So I was introduced into this ecological system by Dr. Ron Fenner. I sorry if I mispronounce his name. This ecological system say that children have 5 systems: the micro, the micro, the micro, the meso, and the macro, and the time. So the micro is everything around them, their family, their friend, and the micro system is the parent relationship with each other, the friend relationship with their parent, and the macro, the meso system is the parent relationship with their boss, the friend relationship with their teacher, and everything else around them. And the macro system is their location, their ethnicity, anything that they cannot control. That so maybe they are Muslim, maybe they are Christian, and stuff like that. And the last one is time. How children perceive it. Maybe in 5 years time, their parents no longer together, no longer love each other, and that what experience the children through their lifetime. That's the time system. Adding on to that, Dr. Bronfenbrenner also introduced the bio-ecological model that children may be like they have an inheritability. So known as I think I mispronounced it. Heritability, yes. They have heritability in nature, but if they are to success in inherit those traits, those potential, they need everything around them to be positive, to be like able to develop well. So in conclusion, even if you are coming out from a problematic household, if you are in a problematic household or a poverty household, you tend to see a lot of the negative side of human, which lead to a lot of children, which lead to less development potential, and children are unable to develop all their inheritability, and also tend to less failure in life, increasing the rate of failure in life for children that are in difficulty household. And that's why they need the microsystem. The children that success have a good microsystem in their life. So my project goal is aim to improve awareness of parents, which is increase their microsystem, the awareness of their community, their parents, to be able to aware of their action toward their children. Project phase 1 is just to introduce parents to their children view. Let the parents see what the children see, so that maybe they can understand. Put the adult in the children's shoe. So our target group is in Sintrai, which is the northern east side of Cambodia, specifically located near the Sisan river, where it meets the Mekong River. This is my methodology and my activity. Firstly, that's all I think. This is just my reference. Thank you for listening.
Okay.